glass battery. And I didn't research this little glitchy thing. I'm gonna go full throttle, it goes like boop boop, like that. Forgot to reach that last time I was here. Everything else is doing fine. I did replace some screws that apparently I've lost. I think the bottom of at least one or two of the posts that hold the whole frame together, gone. I mean, they do give you some spares, so I did replace those, but I buy another baggie of spare screws and posts and stuff, and I think those are for the 3? Tinyhawk 3? One of those. I don't think it's officially for the one I have, but the screws and the pretty much the same hardware. I wouldn't change anything if I was them as a manufacturer, so, and yeah, they're the same. So other than that, I mean, I don't want to start changing propellers again, because it's only on the, when I go ham on it. Other than that, I don't know. If I don't go full throttle, I do not notice any problems. Oop. Barky barks. Alright, I think I'm gonna land. Too many dogs. I can see them in the background.